running like a crazy man.
That's another food that...
This is Pooh's cookie. You want me to make you a cool one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rainbow.
I mean, you can have that rainbow one.
So you can have it. You made it.
You want me to make you a rainbow one?
If you want. But yeah.
A super cool one. Right?
Alright.
Nick, don't touch that. You know better. It fell down on you earlier.
Can I see?
Well, just wait. You can see in a few minutes when you die. Hey, honey. We're making cookies. Look, they're pretty. Nick, get out of there. Yeah, that was kind of nice without any furniture for them.